Hey everyone, if you like our content and want to help us grow our channel, you can support us on Patreon, where you also get exclusive behind the scenes content. Otherwise, follow us on these social media platforms where you can help support us. A little goes a long way. Enjoy the rest of this video.
Ready? Okay, so now that Ray and Sam is home, we have a little secret for you guys. So here we have is sort of a long-awaited FNC. So, you know, we were talking about this when they released the FAL, and seeing this in person at the VPSC is just bloody amazing. So, I don't know what else to say. It takes version, the version 3 info magazines, right? And shoot it. Like, I don't know what else to say. Let's just shoot it.
会玩，我知道你很厉害。
Well, it's like early Christmas, and we have the FNC here, based on the movie Heat. So let's just this is so much fun. All right, sticker. We good?
Mm-hmm.
That's really snappy, yeah.
I'm just trying to catch the ball. Do it again?
That's a true reverse. Now, this is all for a
Oh.
So 2 pins just like an AR?
Yeah, just like an AR. Upper and lower the grip.
This is what the AR should be.
Yeah,
Like an AR-18 should be.
the original Scout.
Yeah.
Here is the buffer spring.
Spring.
And here is the opening for charge pad. Yeah, show it out. It's very tight.
Easy, easy. Oh wow.
There's a spring and a group. And there's like side by the angle. Good.
That's true.
I'm a Christian box.
So we can add weight if we change this, right?
Yeah.
So heavier recoil.
Yeah. Here is the steel reinforcement to push the hammer.
To push the hammer. Is the hammer steel as well?
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool. It's exciting.
Show me the intel.
So they're using a steel hammer. You've got the hammer strut as well.
Sorry, just let me stabilize it. No.
See it?
Just, yeah, like this. Almost. I need a certain angle. Yeah,
Yeah, it's really cool.
that is very cool.
You can see it's very simple design. And the disconnector. It's really cool. Very similar to 5.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but as a piston, you can actually swap for a heavy weight and also it's like a AR nozzle.
It's not different.
Different.
A different one. Yeah. This side is all same.
Yeah.
Where the head is, humanity,
Oh.
futuristic.
对。就其他部位跟 AR nozzle 很像，但是头不一样吧？
不一样。
Oh, it's just the head. That's really cool. So there's the steel reinforced for the hammer, just in case it whacks into the bolt. Yeah, and the hammer is steel as well. But they're really, really easy to take apart. That's the handle. Wow.
You guys hold my claim. So it's much easier to disassemble even than the ARs.
Even easier. Do you guys practice to put it together really quickly?
No, I have practice.
Should have a competition.
I just get it for today.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
We just got this 2 days ago.
No,
So we're not allowed to release this until MOA, but this is like a sneak peek. This is really cool. Yeah. And just gonna disassemble it real quick.
因为它的 lock 是靠这个在拉，所以方向要对，所以当它拉到这边的时候，它可以拉起来，它的 lock 可以就是你的它 bolt 可以固定在，对。但是这个我们怕 user 不太会用，
哦，也
它给安坏，所以我这个部分我就。
说明书上就不会
我们说明书但它就会讲这一块，对，因为毕竟是玩具，有些力量。
有希腊人。对，看他们打那个 rugby，然后
对，所以那个就不会多说这个部分，就不会。
他们会自己拆
他们会自己拆。
我们有时客人。我们以前有这个是假的可以折是假的，然后俄罗斯的客人把它折断，对，可是不能折。
是啊。
对，所以我们很担心客人就是把它给弄坏了，所以像这个就还有这个，我们就不会特别去。
其实在想，我有过一个这个。
这把不错，这把其实电动枪来说还蛮不错。
对，这是新款的吗？
这是很久，
对，
在
对，因为我很久以前有过一把，
这个有点平常。
这我记得是。
对，所以那个就因为有些枪都，毕竟是玩具，客人会把它玩坏，我干脆就不讲。
我能试试看把它装回去吗？
对呀，对。
这个是一个先。
这
这个是要
它里面有一个，它还有一个形状，
一个形状，
好像一个钥匙孔
啊。
keyhole shape. Yeah, to point to
that keyhole.
Okay, so it's like a keyhole.
Yeah. Side enter.
I got it. Awesome. And that's the upper.
Yeah.
Okay, yep, sorry. Put the handle back. And there's only one way to do it, so yes.
Same side is on two arms.
Oh, upside.
Yeah,
Okay.
like this.
Easy. So there's a little notch. The little notch goes up. Now wiggle, wiggle. I think that's it. Awesome. And we have the
Yep. That's pretty great.
This要一起合上吗？
Okay. 一起我的前面先那个。
好。
Yeah.
It's a very tight one.
Yeah.
The gun's still new.
It's the hammer.
Use a hammer?
Yeah.
这个 plate 做对吗？啊，so you gotta
Yeah.
plate in.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Try it. We open it from first.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's better.
Yeah. Fast. And try to hit gun.
Now you need 2 people for this. Okay, I'm gonna try to hang out.
The rear side first. Yeah. Let's see. There. That's right.
Oh, that's pretty easy. It's just a clank system.
That's by friction.
No, it's by force.
Oh.
So just pop.
Yeah.
We're
We're gonna have a rubber mallet.
做完要靠你几个电皮呀，它可能会
Something.
Nice. So,
Can I see that?
yeah, sure.
So what was the? Can you show me?
So this clip just clips onto this ridge there
Sorry, show
on
again.
both sides.
Show again. Show again.
So this here, this piece,
Oh.
this ring, just clips onto both sides.
Right.
Yeah, so once you clamp it together, just, oh, ouch. Oh, that's not good. Bloop, click.
Nice.
Yeah. Ow. Okay.
It's already hurting you. You don't even own it
I
yet.
know. It's already hurting me. That's FNC. Yeah, so this is due to release. Sorry, Ray. When is this due to release?
When?
When is it due to release? When is it gonna come out?
I'm not sure.
I'm sure.
I think maybe next year. We will release this product next year, but we will show it to the end this January.
Yeah, so it's going to be shown at MOA and be released ideally next year. There's no ETA. Of course, we know all the production lead times and all that. So hopefully we get to see it next year, and I'm really excited. The gun sounds really good. It shoots really well. You know, what else is there to say? See if we can get that start working. Yep, there we are. Yeah. Full markings. You guys enjoy. So, one of the most awaited products.
这个什么梳子还好，对吧？陌生叫陌生。好，哎，交给你。
Let's do this. So this one, mine.